आता खबरो विस्तारान। सिंधुदुर्गांतल्या दुयेंती खातीर फुकट उपचार दिवचे ना ह्या खातीर बुधवारा महाराष्ट्राच्या मुखेलमंत्र्या कडेन मेळून तोडगो काडटले। गोंयच्या जनतेचें हित सगळ्यांत पयलीं म्हण खंयच्या परिस्थितीत बिगर गोमंतकीयांक फुकट उपचार मेळचो ना। बुधवारा महाराष्ट्राचे मुखेलमंत्री देवेंद्र फडणवीस हांकां मेळून सामंजस्य कराराच्या माध्यमांतल्यान गोंयाक कशी भरपाई मेळटली हाचेर चर्चा करून निर्णय घेतले म्हण भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे उलयला। आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
सगळीकडे दोडामार्ग आणि सगळीकडे ह्या तरेची आंदोलनां जावंक लागल्या, जायते लोक पॉलिटिकली मोटिवेटेड गोष्टी करूंक लागल्या। माझो इतलेच विषय हा, आय एम द हेल्थ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा. I have to look after the interests of the Goan population. There is no question of me going back on this decision at all. Nilesh Rane can say what he wants. It's not his domain to advise me or advise the government of Goa. There is a BJP government in the state of Goa and there is a BJP government in the state of Maharashtra. Okay. So what I wanted to share with all of you is that most of the people have not understood the dynamics of how the Goa Medical College. There are a lot of migrant people that come in. There are not only people related to the Maharashtra state, but there are also people from different other places. There are people who don't have any kind of documentation who are staying in Goa. At no point of time, we have said that poor people will not be given treatment. Every head of department and medical superintendent, if they cannot pay the bill, that is, they have the powers to exempt them from charging. Goa Medical College must be the only hospital in the country where this type of expenditure on people and on the population is done in terms of giving free medications and free angiography, angioplasty, stenting हे सगळे। आणि ह्या तरेचे आमचे विजन आशिल्ले आमचे गोंय राज्याचे मुख्यमंत्री ज्यांनी DDSSY ची कल्पना करून ह्या इन्शुरन्स स्कीमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान गोंयची जनतेक कव्हर केल्ले। सो दिस इज अ ग्रेट बेनिफिट टू अस। सो व्हॉट इज हॅपनिंग, this issue that is happening on the border, this issue is basically becoming a political issue. It is more than the interest of the people, it is becoming more of a political war between some political parties there and some political leaders. So I wanted to clear the air is that there is no question of going back on the decision. But at the same time, I have asked for an appointment tomorrow with Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Devendra Fadnavis. I am going by 1 o'clock to Bombay, and immediately I am going to the assembly to call on him and to give 1 or 2 suggestions and 1 or 2 solutions which we can find out, by way of which either Goa Medical College can get empaneled and Asilo can get empaneled, and Asilo and Goa Medical College can get empaneled by the government of Maharashtra. Or 1 or 2 options we are working out. I just spoke to our people here from the government side and from office of our Chief Minister, and couple of options I will float with the Chief Minister, and after speaking to him by tomorrow evening itself, I feel we will be able to resolve this issue. And also it's a state government to state government issue. So this issue, even if I have to take it and I decide that I have to do it in a particular way, charging of patients from outside of Goa will not change. But same time, we are in a process of, we will be most open to signing any kind of MOU with the government of Maharashtra so that the interest of our hospital, our people is also protected. Same time, the load on our hospital doesn't increase. And at the same time, if there is a MOU, and MOU is a must, being a state subject, state to state, between government of Goa and government of Maharashtra.